So the ingredients are, of course, 1 burrata, the salad of your choice. I chose corn salad. We call it valsla. I don't know, I guess it's corn salad. Some sun-dried tomatoes, pine nuts, and finally some ham. This is Serrano ham. Any type of dried ham that you like will be fine. Let's do this. So first of all, what I noticed is that the sun-dried tomatoes are quite big. I don't really want the big chunks in my mouth, so I'm going to cut it up a bit.
That's what she said!
So I'm going to cut them in 3s and I'm kind of going to eyeball it, how many I will use. This dish is completely like a bit personal and depends on what you like taste-wise. If you like a lot of sun-dried tomatoes, of course you add a lot of sun-dried tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to start off with this amount. I can always cut more. Okay, so now it's time to prepare the burrata. I'm going to take it out of the package. How can this be the hardest part of the video? Okay, I've got it. So I managed to open up the package. Now I'm going to transfer the cheese into a mixing bowl. And now we're going to start squishing the cheese. So we've got this gooey part in the middle, which is nice and gooey. And we're just going to kind of mix it up a bit. So we've got the cream that's in the middle, spread it throughout the cheese. The thing is, we don't want to do this on the plate where we've already got the lettuce on because that will be a huge mess. It's easier to do this now. Now let's start dressing the plate. Okay, so take a nice serving plate and first spread a bed of lettuce on top. I am just going to remove these hard bits from the lettuce because it will make it easier to spread. As you can see, I'm not going to pile a huge amount of lettuce. I just want some bits. Now we're gently going to place the burrata on top. I'm using a spoon and a fork and I'm just going to place it randomly all over the plate. As you can see, it's way easier. Now it's already mushed. Now it's time to add the sun-dried tomatoes, also randomly. I'm just going to try and sprinkle them from a distance. Okay, I'm going to start with this and I can always add more if I want to. Next up is the ham. Take a slice and I'm just going to pull it apart and randomly place it on top. There you go, that's quite enough for me. And now finally finish off with some pine nuts. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, so here we have our final result.